In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attribute block in AutoCAD. An attribute block lets you store editable text like a door number or equipment ID inside a block. So you are prompted to enter that information each time you place it. This is perfect for consistent labeling and faster, more reliable documentation. First, open AutoCAD and get your drawing ready. Start by drawing the geometry that will represent the visual part of the block. This could be a circle for a marker, a rectangle for a tag, or any shape that fits your standards. Think about where you want the text to sit and draw at the correct scale so the final text height makes sense for your drawings. Next, define the attribute. In the command line, type a TDF and press Enter to open the attribute definition dialog. In the tag field, enter a short, clear name with no spaces, such as door number. This is the internal name AutoCAD uses, so keep it simple and consistent. In the prompt field, type the question you want to see when inserting the block. For example, enter door number. In the default field, provide a starting value like 0. This is just a placeholder and can be overwritten each time you insert the block. Set the text justification so it aligns how you want within your geometry. And enter a text height appropriate for your scale and plotting standards. When everything looks good, click OK. Then click in the drawing to place the attribute tag inside your geometry where the text should appear. Now create the block. Type block and press Enter to open the block definition dialog. Give your block a clear name that matches your standards. Specify a base point by clicking Pick Point and snapping to a logical location, such as a corner, a midpoint, or the center of your geometry. This base point will make placement intuitive later. For objects, click Select Objects and choose both the geometry and the attribute definition tag you just placed. If you have more than one attribute, be mindful. The order in which you select them controls the order of the prompts you'll see when inserting the block. When you've selected everything, click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching.